Hello everyone and welcome to the class for fluid mechanics. In the last lecture, we have completed the chapter number 2, which is from the unit number 1, which was pressure measuring devices. Okay, but the unit number 2 is fluid kinematics. It is related to the motion of fluid. Okay, so there are different kind of motions of the fluid where the flowing fluid which flows because of the any forces, and as the fluid flows, its properties will changes or become constant. So here we will discuss about the fluid motion and its force which are acting on the fluid to cause the motion. The major concept about here is the kinematics. So what is meant by fluid kinematics? We will discuss here. The fluid kinematics is the branch of fluid mechanics in which it deals with the study of velocity, acceleration of a particle of fluid in motion. Okay, and their distribution in a space without considering the force which causing the motion. Okay, so here we will understand the kinematics is here the kinematics means the study of flow. It is the study of flow. What we study about the acceleration, velocity, and other things related to the fluid flow. But we does not consider or we does not take into account about the force which cause motion. Opposite to this, there is a definition of fluid dynamics where in fluid dynamics we discuss about the force which is causing the motion of a fluid. Okay, so here in kinematics we discuss only about the fluid motion properties. Okay, like velocity, acceleration, and all of it. But we does not get into account or consider about the force which is causing the motion. Okay. Fluid motion is enabling a determination of the magnitude and direction of velocity and acceleration in the flow field at any instant of time. So, what is the fluid motion? We consider the velocity and acceleration at any time at any position. The method of describing fluid motion are Lagrangian method and Eulerian method. Okay, so Euler was the scientist who discovered the theorem for the same. Okay, so in this method of the Lagrangian method, you could pronounce whatever you want. I will write the spelling or name on the board. Okay, the method of describing fluid motion, Lagrangian method, Eulerian method. So here the first method is Lagrangian method. Okay, in this method, observer concentrate on movement of single particle. Observer has to move with the particle movement. Observer moves with the position of the fluid. The position of the fluid particle is in a space in x, y, and z direction. Okay, so the in a space whenever it is the two method where the when we are discussing about the particular study of the motion of a fluid where uh, we concentrate on both things. First one is the position, another is the particle. So in the Lagrangian method, we concentrate on the particular particle. So as the particle moves, we have to move with it and understand what is its velocity, acceleration, and other properties with respect to the fluid motion. And in Eulerian method, the only one section is considered, and along that section we consider about different properties of the fluid. Okay, so what are the different properties of a motion, which is velocity and acceleration? Okay, we does not consider the density and weight density, mass density, specific gravity of the fluid while we are discussing about the properties of motion, fluid motion. Okay, so here this is the particular pipe. If we concentrate on the point, okay, so as the point moves, we have to move with it. Okay. Okay. So that particle moves in a different spaces like x, y, and z plane at the time of t. Okay. So we know that there are three planes. Okay. When we are considering three-dimensional figure, it moves in the three planes by flowing. So here x, y, and z. Okay. And the its position at ABC or at the position of the starting it is 0 and then it start moving. So while we are considering the resultant velocity, okay, so finding out the resultant velocity v equal to okay. So resultant velocity v equal to w square v square plus w square. So what is u, v and w? U, v and w are the velocities along the x direction, y direction and z direction. In the x direction or x plane, the velocity is u. In the y plane it is v, and in the z plane it is w. Okay. So velocity vector, when we are finding the velocity vector, it is ui with vj plus w. Okay. The resultant acceleration is ax square plus ay square plus az square. Okay. This is the Lagrangian method. Okay. So in the Eulerian method, it is different. So the in Eulerian method, or many people call it as a Euler's method, where the section is concentrated at a particular section is considered, and the observer concentrated on that particular part. Okay, it is concentrated on particular part. So if we consider this as consider this as a section, and we concentrate on this section for the different particles. In this method, observer concentrate on a fixed point particle, observer remains stationary, and observes changes in the fluid parameters at a particular point only. The velocity component are u equal to dabba x upon dabba t, dabba v upon dabba t, and dabba w upon dabba z upon dabba t. Okay. So value I will send type of acceleration of the fluid component are tangential and normal acceleration, material or stationary acceleration, local acceleration or temporal acceleration, and convective acceleration. These are the different acceleration which are produced when the flow changes. Okay. Then there are type of flows and type of lines like path lines, straight lines, streamlines. Okay, there are type of flows like steady flow, unsteady flow, uniform flow, non-uniform flow, and so on. So we will discuss in the next video. So until then, goodbye.